Hiya, pals. I feel like laughing. Do you? Great. Here's a joke. What do birds say on Halloween? Trick or tweet? I have to be sure to tell that one to Cuckoo Loca. Peek-a-boo! I have a trick for you. Want to help me hunt for hidden pals? Yay! Who can we find first? Hot dog! Someone's behind the couch. It's me! Who's next? Found ya, Pluto! Did you see something behind the chair? Minnie! Yay! You're great at hide and seek. Let's go again. There's a pup in the pool. Bingo! What can you see near the tree? It's Rolly! Is that a package on the porch? Special delivery, kiosk! Hooray! You're a howling good hunter. Let's play again. Is that a bird in the tree? Oh, it's Freddy! Rub-a-dub-dub, did you see something in the tub? Pip! Is it getting a little cold? Hey, there's Casey! Wow, you're good at finding hideouts. It's been so much fun spooky searching with you.